Here at Monmouth College, academics are our top priority.
For student athletes, there is no better place for us to be active in the sport we love while achieving high academic success.
The resources Monmouth College provides are a direct correlation to our success on and off the court. The Fighting Scots Society plays a vital role in that success.
What is the Fighting Scots Society?
It is our athletic booster program that supports all of our teams. Funds are used to upgrade facilities, purchase weight training and video equipment, uniforms, fund travel, and much more.
The Fighting Scots Society also helps fund special projects around campus.
Like our new blinds.
And these.
And this.
The support of the Fighting Scots Society keeps Monmouth Athletic programs strong. Because of your dedication, our programs are expanding. Due to this growth, we need more space within the Huff Athletic Center.
By contributing to the Fighting Scots Society this fiscal year, you will help us create additional locker space within Huff Athletic Center and a multi-sports instructional space for our athletic teams, where coaches and athletes can interact, learn new plays, and discuss game strategy. On behalf of all of the coaches and students, thank you for your commitment to our Fighting Scots. We look forward to your continued support.